Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the blade on your Bosch weed whacker here. So currently we have the line spool on. We're going to swap it over so we've got the cutting blade on here. So this is also known as a corded brush cutter. Obviously make sure that the brush cutter, the weed whacker, is unplugged before you do any of this. You've got to get the tools that came with your device, and we're going to use this one here. If you have a close look on either side, there's going to be a little hole. You need to line it up so that this middle bit is going through that hole here. So you can see here right now I can't put that in there, but if I do it a little bit more to there, then I can drop it in there. It doesn't go very far, but it's enough to allow you to loosen and tighten it. We also have the same over the other side as well. So we also have it just here. So I'm going to put it on here just to make it easy for me, like so. Now you need to remember that this is reverse thread. So you're going to think to do it left to undo, but you don't. In this instance you go to the right. So you're going to go clockwise to undo this. So grab it and turn it clockwise. You're going to need quite a bit of strength to turn that. And there we go. You can see clockwise it's coming off. It comes off like so. We now need to get our blade. You still need to hold this in here, otherwise this is just going to spin as you're, it does come off. This is just going to spin as you're trying to turn it on. So you can put that in there. And we're going to put the blade on now. I've got the safety protector cover on it here. If you were to take the cover off, you can actually see that we have a cutting blade here and also this side as well. So it doesn't matter which way you put it on. But if you have a look, when you put it on, you need to make sure that this goes on nicely like that. Don't put it on like that, it's not going to work. You're going to have to put it on nicely so it's sat there. They give you a nice little guide here, and this guide is for this bit. So we've put the blade on. It doesn't matter which way round it goes on because the cutting blade is on both sides. Make sure this is still in here. And then we're putting this on here, and you can see now it's lined up with those circles. Lovely. So we know that blade's in the correct position. We're going to get our nuts, and again you need to remember we're going the opposite way as to what you would normally do. It's reverse thread. So I'm just starting it off by hand, and I'm going counterclockwise like so. And now I'm getting the tool, and I'm going to get the big part of the tool here, and I'm putting it on here, and I'm tightening it up again counterclockwise like so. So I've given that a nice good tighten. There we go. And now I can take that off. I can take that off, and that is it. We are ready to go once you take off the safety blade here. There we have it. So that's how to change over from the line spool to the blade. And if you're interested, they are the instructions there. So what you can do is you can pause the video and you can look at the instructions. That side there. And then when you're finished, make sure you put your safety blade back on. And it's ready to use again next time. Thanks for watching.